Hello, and welcome to Vlad Squared. Our name is Vlad.
اهلا وسهلا معكم فلاد من Vlad Squared والحين موعدكم مع Gadget Middle East. And what we have here today is the Xiaomi Mi 10 5G, which is their latest flagship, and we're going to take a deeper look at it today.
Now, let's take a look at what comes inside the box.
I actually like the box, it stands out from the rest, right?
You got paperwork box on top.
The phone itself is just below that.
Under the tray, we have a 30-watt charge brick and a USB-C cable.
The model that we have today is the coral green color, which has a nice touch, especially with the mirror finish.
It does seem like a fingerprint magnet, but we'll need to spend some time with it to be sure.
The phone has a quad camera setup with a 108 megapixel sensor.
Yeah, let's see what it can do against some other big brands.
We have the most important part of the box, the paperwork.
It comes with a USB-C to headphone jack dongle.
But no headphones, which I think is quite odd.
Overall, the device looks nice in the hand.
But even though the device is so thick to begin with, why is the camera bump so thick as well?
Speaking of the cameras, it has a traffic light vertical layout. You got 2 megapixel depth sensor, 108 megapixel main shooter, 2 megapixel macro lens, and a 13 megapixel ultra wide lens. While
The front packs a 90Hz 6.67 inch AMOLED display, which feels quite smooth and well colored, and it has the cutout for the front camera as well.
I'm excited to see how this phone is going to perform against everybody's favorites.
I guess we will.
Now that was the unboxing experience and first impressions.
Stay tuned to the next video for a full review. Thank you. Massa.